The Selfhelp Scholarship Program is where we are supporting MSW students that want to work with older adults in our communities. There's such a huge need of social workers in our communities today. Selfhelp provides financial scholarships to MSW students as they are pursuing their graduate level degrees. Our students are also interning with our agency, and once they graduate, they receive jobs at Selfhelp. It's a win-win situation, really. Our students are getting a tuition reimbursement and scholarship, and then in turn, with Selfhelp, we are getting passionate and dedicated social workers on our team.
I love working at Selfhelp. I'm a social worker in Queens, and what we like to say is we're sort of like a 311 for older adults, and we're able to connect people to resources and information that they need.
I work in housing, so I help with my clients, scheduling appointments, making sure that their entitlements are up to date. I work with a lot of clients who are recently in shelters and homeless, and I work one-on-one with them a lot. Knowing that I'm helping people who otherwise may not have a home makes me feel really good.
The Selfhelp Scholarship Program entails a selective process. We've been working with at least 10 different schools around New York City. That includes Columbia University, NYU, Fordham University, Hunter College. Students feel so excited and relieved that they have jobs already lined up after they graduate.
The opportunity to be a Selfhelp scholar allowed me to feel really heard as I was studying during my master's, and I think that's why I continue to pursue what I'm doing now as well.
I am grateful and happy to be a Selfhelp scholar. It gave me the opportunity to continue my education and not have to worry about loans. Now I get to be the social worker that I want to be.
It's really shaped my path as a social worker and encouraged me to continue on this journey.
Thank you, Selfhelp, for selecting me to be a Selfhelp scholar and giving me the opportunity to pursue my education in social work.